Hello viewers, today I will show you a different chart that is called sparkline chart. The sparkline chart is different from the other conventional chart what we draw or plot in Excel. So what is the difference between sparkline chart and other chart? Other charts plotted in a separate window, but sparkline chart can be plotted in a Excel specific cell. So here I have few data, and with this data I have drawn three types of chart. This chart is called sparkline line chart. This chart is called sparkline win-loss chart, and this chart is called sparkline column chart. So now I am deleting and I will draw newly. So I want to draw here. The time range is July to November 2023. So I am making border. So here I want to draw sparkline chart. So I will click simple the cell where I want to put the curve. So I want to put the curve in this cell, and I will go to the insert menu and click on the line under the spark line. I will click on the line chart, and it is asking me to select the data range. So I will simply select the data range. Okay, now I am clicking OK. So I can do it for every cell individually, or I can just simply click. Simply drag and copy. Okay. Now I want to customize the curve. This curve I can make it thicker. I can make different colors. So I want to make it thicker first. So let me give you one thick, and I want to give some marker in this point. So I'll pick marker. So now you are seeing that some point has came. Now I want to see the highest point and low point, and high point I want to see as high point it is green, and low point I want to see as yellow, and negative point I want to see as red. Okay, let me tick more. Okay, now see three colors are there. Okay. One is high color, another is low color, another is negative color. Okay. Now I want to draw a win-loss chart. It is range is July to November 2023. Simply I will give the border, and I want to draw here win-loss chart. So I will click here and go to insert menu, and under the sparkline I will click win-loss. Here is same way it is asking me to select the range. I will click simply OK. It becomes. Now I will drag it. Okay. Same way I can give some different colors, different option. there is on customize things. So I want to see negative point as red. I want to see high point as green. Not okay. Low point red. Yeah. Okay. If I adjust the value, it will look like that. Here what happened? From here I have to analyze all data where I had loss, but from this graph I am seeing that loss is occurred in November 2023 and highest profit on October. It was shown as green, and low point also same, low point in November. So same likely you can graphically present the win-loss chart also. Now last thing is I want to show you the column chart, win-loss column chart. The same way I will click where I want to draw the win-loss, and I will click in insert, and under the sparkline I will go to columns. That same way it is asking me the data range. I have select in vertical range and click OK, and simply I will drag it. Okay, see, same way I want to see the highest point at green and low point as red. See, here is ethylene price. Ethylene price in July 2023 was highest 1000 and profit was 200. So this is the selling price and this is the profit. Okay. The same way in 2023, the all products, how the price varied, we can know from the graph. So that way you can present analytical data to higher management. It will also boost your presentation skill, and it will also give a extra benefit in your career. So thank you for today. If you are new to my channel, you can subscribe my channel to be updated for next video. I think my channel will help you in your career and education. Thank you.